Doors for this, ain't you?
Yes, I got doors for this.
Okay.
Used doors, but they doors. On today's video, we're going to be showing you how to remove the doors on a scrub body Chevy and change them in case you got them. You might want a jack to catch it, but we good at jacking. And I forgot what I was going to say. But anyway, we're just going to manhandle this door with a strong hand.
Think that we're together, James.
We're always together.
James.
So, there's some bolts inside your door here. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Now, you can mark this and line this up. If you're changing this door, it's not going to line up anyway. They different shapes, bends over the years and everything. So, don't even bother with it. But if you're doing this by yourself, put something underneath this door to help hold it. You getting it? Just take your time. The bolts will come out. Be gentle. Get somebody help.
Be gentle?
Be gentle.
Gentle?
Yeah. And this is a good time if you got places like this on the walkers and stuff, you might want to fix those.
Nah, we're not going to do that.
No, we're not. Is this the last bolt?
No.
Okay.
No, these bolts are just like 80 foot long and fine thread, so.
Oh. Well, sometimes WD-40 helps. If you ain't got WD-40, spit on it. We got the door we moved. It was simple as I said. You don't have to panic.
You know something else I noticed?
What?
The bottom of the inner structure is actually pretty good in this.
Yeah.
So we can use that too.
It's good patch metal on this door.
This is good.
The reason we ain't using this door is basically because the inner structure here is gone. You could re-weld that. But it's also got a ton of Bondo and stuff on it. And I just got a good set of OEM doors we're going to put on it. So you get a good how-to video. You know,
I think this has been wrecked here at one point because that's all Bondo. And this structure being broken, I think it was just dented in.
It's a classic record. It's been on a record yard. Something probably rolled into it.
It's been a record.
Yeah. Kentucky Life
And that truck better.
is talking to his phone as usual.
Yeah.
Anyway, back to what we're saying. We got the door here. This is the door we're using. It's from a 79. This is a 83. The doors will interchange, but sometimes the wing grass up here is different. So you got to check all that out. You know, if you get new molding for your doors, if your door panels and stuff is different. Because I do know they make two different kind of molding for the wing grass. That one's missing the molding a little bit. But
yeah. I was looking at that. I was like, oh, something's missing.
it's a better door than what we got here. It needs a little bit of patching on the bottom, which will be on another video. Now, we're going to set this up here. Before, as I said, you can put it on a jack and line it up yourself.
Or be a man.
Or be a man. But they two of us, so I'm going to hold it up while Kentucky gets it on. And we're going to snug it up a little, then adjust it where we want to, and then try to tighten it up.
Shut.
The door on. We're going to set down and snug it up enough where we can adjust it and stuff with a little bit of force.
I think I've got it adjusted.
You think you got it adjusted?
Yep.
Put it back in the stock place?
That's what I'm doing.
Okay. You can remove your striker to make it a little easier on your adjustment and stuff. And then we'll add your striker, but we're going to try it with us installed. And you can see we just lined it back up to the factory marks the old door came off of. So maybe that'll work. Now, if you got a new door or a fresh repainted door or something, you don't need to do it like this. You always need to fit your doors and stuff before you paint your vehicle.
When you're working on junk, it don't really matter.
It's not junk.
It's not. It is right now, but it won't be after we're done.
Okay, so back to what I was saying. We're going to tighten this down and snug it up, and we're going to try to close it. And it just needs to be acceptable, you know? It don't mind.
Be able to shut.
Don't mind that little bit of rust hole, though. We'll patch that later. Sometimes when you're dealing with these old doors, they just won't line up because us sure didn't, did it, Joey?
No.
You might need some of these body shims here because some of these doors do use body shims. Even from the factory. You can see this fender's got body shims on it. I forgot.
Factory because my truck's the same way.
Oh, yeah. So the body shims added. We added quite a few. We're going to finish throwing bolts in this, but check this out. Didn't think that way could have that door shut that good. But we are pretty well even up top. It might could go in just a tad, but I think we're fine. Yeah.
Too bad.
It's not going to be bad at all. We're even up around the fender pretty much. The cab corner is a little tight rocker panel, but you can see it was installed by a professional, you know.
Oh, they did the most quality work.
They did, for sure. But it always pays to have one of these body shim kits. You can get them cheap at an auto parts store, or you can pick them up online. Harbor Freight sells them too, believe it or not. I do believe.
Yeah, I think it's where they came from.
So hopefully you enjoyed this video. Like, comment, subscribe. Stay tuned. This summer we're going to be hitting the videos heavy, so you don't want to miss that. These projects is coming together because we got plenty of them to. Some of them needs halfway finished. You agree, Kentucky?
I agree that we have a lot to work on.
Kentucky Life. Check him out on all the socials. You know, he's got a channel too.